I thought it was time to get to my roots. I wanted to break something today, but I didn't know what or how. So I went to my shed, of course, full of a bunch of different things, looked around, found the old Phineas and Ferb guitar, but I was interested in the bat. Boom, instantly, I had an idea. I was going to take a sparkling water, shake it up, and smack it and have it explode. But, as you'll see here, it's not that easy. It is not that easy. Bink! It went across the yard, then had to grab it again, put it down, tried again, didn't work, smacked it as much as I could until it did it. It started spraying everywhere. It got me all dirty. Like, all of this beautiful look merch, link in bio, got nice and dirty.